សួស្តីបងប្អូនយ៉ាមកដល់ហើយបងប្អូនឃើញទេរបស់អីគេនេះបងប្អូនបាទនេះមកដល់ហើយនេះរបស់ស្អីគេហើយ open ឲ្យបងប្អូនមើលណាតែមុននឹង open ខ្ញុំសូមជម្រាបបងប្អូនដែររបស់ដែលខ្ញុំ order អាលើកទី1ដែលមកហ្នឹងគឺអ្នកដែល delivery ហ្នឹងគេបោះចូលទៅក្នុងmy front yard and look like somebody come to pick it up from my front yard. They open the bucket and they don't see anything that they like, so they throw the bucket away, which is all messed up, all damaged. I will put picture for you to see it. Anyway, so after I receive it, I take a picture and I send it back to these people right here. They respond back to me very quick, and then they asking me to destroy it, toss it away. They resend me a new one. 3 days later, I received this one. Okay, so we're gonna open to see. I'm so excited. We're gonna open to see how is it the same order that I order or gonna be a different one. Okay, so let's see together. And by the way, their service is very good. It's just that delivery people, they kind of do a shortcut. Instead of walking through the door and put the packet by the door, they just throw into a front yard. But this time they actually walk into the front door, they put in the front door, and then they take a picture, they sign it to me. So which is great. And the box has come perfect, no damage. So let's see what inside look like. Okay, be with me. Thanks. Okay, let's open this one. Then បងប្អូនមើលឃើញទេមកមានអីខ្លះមានស្លាបព្រាឈើនេះមួយសម្រាប់គោ and then we have មួយនេះគេហៅស្អី teaspoon សម្រាប់ជោគរង្វាស់វល់ដាក់ឆុងកាខ្វេ and we have this បងប្អូន so I have 2 bags of this, 2 bags of that, and this is the instruction. Okay, instruction, how do they make, what kind of ingredient that they use, and how to use it. So it's very good manual, good, and empty box. So okay, everything's come exactly of what I ordered, and then we have this. So just a reminder, this is to replace what I received the damaged packet that I previously received. That's my original order, but since the order they've been delivered in damage, so they send me a new set, a new order. And that's it. Thank you very much for, I'm so happy to receive this in a very good shape, and I'm gonna start using this to see how it works. See you later. Thank you.